passenger capacity of oil carrying ships varies depending on the size of the ship. The largest fleet, Icon of the Seas, can accommodate about the ship introduction. Royal Caribbean identified cruise route traveling to over destination up to 5,734 passengers. Internary destination, Alaska New Open Sailing Day 23 facilities and various product of accommodation, ship accommodation, ocean transportation, American breakfast, scrambled eggs, white, American breakfast, scrambled eggs, bitters, continental breakfast, apple juice, food and beverage, continental breakfast, orange juice, coffee, caffeinated food and beverage, decaffeinated food and beverage, toast from the bakery, food and beverage, with white gluten-free from the bakery, food and beverage. Accommodation, ship accommodation, ship accommodation, ocean accommodation. Most of the meal on board accommodation, some beverage on board accommodation, non-alcoholic beverage, Broadway shows, entertainment and shows, aqua theater shows, entertainment shows, ice skating shows, entertainment shows, morning beverage, mimosa, sports and recreation, rock climbing wall, sports and recreation, flow ride, mini boat, sports and recreation, zipline, sports and recreation. What is the most fantastic? What makes this cruise ship unique from the other cruise line? The famous and unique the of this cruise is what are your most favorite features that activities of the ship that you wish to experience someday in life? Your favorite features of activity.